Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So I will put about yc, that is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So we need to find the solution of this one. So we have two solutions. That is about negative number 3 plus the square root of 29 over number 2, and lambda equals to negative number 3 negative of the square root of 29 over number 2. And now we have yc, that is about c number 1. We have the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. We need to change lambda into this one. So we have like this. And we have c number 2 e to the power of negative number 3 negative the square root of 29 over number 2 s. Now let's go to particular solutions. So we have this one and this one. So I will put yb, that is about 8 e to the power of s over number 2 plus b cosine 2s and c sine 2s. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 8 e to the power of s over number 2. This one we have negative number 2b sine 2s. This one we have number 2 c cosine 2s. This one we go to second derivative of yb, and we have 1 over 4 8 e to the power of s over number 2. After we do first derivative of this one we have negative number 4b cosine 2s. This one we have negative number 4c sine 2s. Now we need to put this one go in here. So we combine, and that should be like this. This one, that is for the second derivative in here. and this one, that is this one. And number 5, negative number 5. This is about this one. So we simplify and combine in the terms of e to the power of s over number 2. So this one, we have 1 over 4a, 3 over 2a, negative number 5a. We got negative 13 over 4a e to the power of s over number 2. This one, we have cosine 2s. So we need to find cosine 2s, and that is about negative 4b. Number 2 with number 3, we have number 6 and negative 5b. So negative 4b, negative 5b, that is about negative 9b. 2c with number 3, we have 6c, and that's about cosine 2s. The next one, that is about sine 2s. About this one, we have this one, and this one. So we have negative number 5 with c and negative 4c. That is about negative 9c. And negative 2b with number 3, we have negative 6b. And now we need to compare coefficient of this one. So negative 13.8 over number 4 equals to number 1. This one equals to number 1. This one, we don't have sine 2s, that is about number 0. So we find the value of 8, and that is about negative number 4 over 13. This one, that is about b equals to negative 1 over 13. And the next one, c equals to number 2 over 39. So we can get yb, that is about negative number 4 over 13 e to the power of s over number 2. The next one, that is about negative 1 over 13 cosine 2s, and positive number 2 over 39 sine 2s. And now we got the final answer. So yc, that is this one. And yb, that is this one.